Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to log in to Cooking Craze. So in order to do that, first make sure that you've downloaded the Cooking Craze application on your preferred mobile device, and once you've done it, launch the app open. You'll then end up in this main interface. Tap on the login button in blue, and in the pop-up, you'll be able to see the login button. Tap on login one more time, and this will take you to these multiple options. You can sign in using your Facebook account, your Apple ID, or log in using an email. If you want to sign in with email, you'll first need to register with Big Fish account. Tap on the register with email button and follow through the prompts to create an account. If you want to sign in using your Facebook or your Apple ID, go ahead and tap on the respective text box. In my case, I'm gonna sign in using my Apple ID. Tap the sign in with Apple option and follow through the prompts. Wait for a few seconds and you'll be able to log in. Now, there is also an option to connect to Facebook. If you want to save your progress and log in using your Facebook, you can also tap on connect to Facebook button and log in using your Facebook credentials. If you don't want to do that right now, you can simply tap on not now, and there you have successfully logged in to Cooking Craze. You can now start by tapping the play button and enjoy. That is how you can easily log into Cooking Craze. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.